In the previous lesson, we have changed the limits of our current drawing or the display area, and also we have applied the display unit format for our drawing. Now these settings should be saved as a template because we obviously don't want to make these settings every time we start a new drawing. So you can save these settings as a template and you can open that template to create the new drawing. So in order to save this current setting as a template, go to this application button and now go to save as and select drawing template option. So this will save our drawing as a DWT file or the drawing template file, and here we have some predefined templates here in this list, and you can see the location of template here. So it's located deep within the Autodesk installation directory. So if you want to save it in the same template folder or the directory, you can do that as well, or if you want to specify a new location, you can change it. So I'll change it to desktop here, and here on the desktop I'll save it with the name sample template. And now you'll notice here that the file is now saved as a DWT file or the file with DWT extension. Now click on save and click on OK. Here we don't need to specify any description. Click on OK, and now the drawing is saved as a template. So let's now close this tab, and if you want to open the drawing with the saved template, you can simply go to this open files, or you can also go to this open files and you can open the template, or you can also select the predefined templates from this list of templates. So which we obviously don't want. We don't want the predefined templates, we want the template which we have made. So click on open files, go to the desktop, change the format to DWT, and here on desktop we have the sample template, and now click on open and we have the template here. Now you can start making a drawing here, and all the previous settings are completely restored in this template.